Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. On my previous class, I had already started your chapter Parts of Computer. Today again I will continue with this chapter Parts of Computer. I had already started this chapter and let me to explain you that a computer has four main parts. There will be question arise, what is the use of these parts? So let me to explain why our body parts is necessary to perform different tasks. In the same way, this part also necessary for computer to perform different types of tasks. First, there are four main parts of a computer. First, monitor. Second, CPU. Third, keyboard. And last one is mouse. As I already explained about these three parts, monitor, CPU, keyboard. So today I will explain about mouse. What is mouse and what is the use of mouse on a computer. So it is used to point, move and select an object on a computer. It also used to draw pictures and to play games. It is also used to play games and draw pictures. So this is the use of mouse on a computer. These are the four main parts of a computer. Without these four main parts, computer cannot perform any tasks. What are the four main parts of a computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These are the four main parts. So apart from these parts, like our body, we already know, you all know that our body have 5 sense organs. Apart from these sense organs, our body has also internal organs also, and these organs also perform special tasks. In the same way, apart from these parts, a computer has some additional parts. So let us explain one by one. What are the additional part of a computer? First, printer. What is the use of printer on a computer? It is used to print a copy of the information from computer on a sheet of paper. So this is the use of printer. That printer is used to print a copy. Print a copy of the information from computer. Suppose you have seen your question paper. How it is printed? First of all, we just type the information on a computer and then take the copy of the information from a computer with the help of this printer. Second, speaker. It is used to listen sound stored in a computer. So what is the use of speaker? Speaker is used to listen sound. Whatever the information are stored in a recording with, that sound we use to listen through speaker. Next, UPS. What is UPS? It stands for uninterrupted power supply. What is the full form of UPS? The full form of UPS is uninterrupted power supply. Then there will be a question in your mind that what is the use of UPS? Have you seen at your home that when there is a power cut at your home, what you used? We generally used inverter. Why we use inverter? To provide power supply. In the same way, when there is a power cut, it provides battery backup to the computer. It provides battery backup in case of power cut. So UPS works like a inverter. Okay. So these are the additional parts of a computer. Printer is used to print a copy of the information from a computer on a sheet of paper. Next is speaker. A speaker, it is used to listen sound stored in a computer. Then UPS, it stands for uninterrupted power supply. What is the use of UPS? It provides battery backup in case of power cut. So let's end your class with your assignment. Good day.